Hey folks, your OS Reviews. You're watching our video first look and a quick review of the Cowin iChocolate Mini Pro. So Cowin, of course, produces lots of these audio accessories, including speakers, as well as the earphones and headphones that you can find through Amazon. The iChocolate Mini Pro might look like a typical Bluetooth speaker, but it also adds Wi-Fi functionality for about the same price point. So it also allows you to connect it using Wi-Fi from your phone or on a laptop, and that has a longer range than typical Bluetooth, which will last you for about 10 meters or 33 feet. It also produces slightly more high fidelity audio as far as wireless speakers are concerned, so that's something to point out. Otherwise, it still is a very attractive and wireless speaker, and you can see that there are a few other functions you can have on here, including multi-room functionality, connecting it to other iChocolate Mini Pros if you purchase multiple sets, and there's also an app that you can download to control things using Wi-Fi a bit more easily. The side features a bit of info about the company. You can find this again in the links down below, and the back also has a bit more of technical specifications, inclusive of what you get, as well as the support for Android as well as iOS devices. Also comes with a 3.5mm auxiliary cable if you don't want to use a wireless audio source. So if you want to plug in a traditional iPod or a MP3 player, that is possible here. So here's what the speaker itself looks like. Other contents in the packaging include a micro USB cable for charging. It takes roughly 2.5 hours to completely charge the speaker, and afterwards the standby mode is quite long. It does also include a microphone, so you can use it as a speakerphone for answering calls with supported iOS and Android devices. So here's the quick start guide, which is a pretty generic guide that does document the various features and how to set things up for the first time. Some other features I will mention is that it does have NFC. There's a tag on the side here, which means that if your phone supports it, just tap on the very top and you'll be paired with Bluetooth automatically. The sides also features oversized keys for controlling the tracks, skip, play, pause keys, as well as volume keys, and the center here also dubs as the power on-off key. So these are all very tactile, responsive, and easy to press. They can also correspond to answering and rejecting a phone call by tapping on the play pause key as well, so that is something else to point out. The construction quality of the iChocolate Mini, it's actually quite good. It's made out of the soft touch rubber material, and it does have a few aluminum accents on the sides, and it looks like a pretty modern looking speaker. It's a solid kind of brick-like design. The bottom features access to rubber feet, which prevents it from sliding around on a surface or a desk. And again, it's a stereo speaker with an integrated kind of passive radiator on the back as well, which produces quite loud volume, and we'll do a bit of a test later on in this video. The top also features additional LED lights for the corresponding Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi functions when it's on, when it's connected. And finally, the back also features the few connector ports for the power, as well as for the auxiliary and micro USB port, and that's it. This isn't a waterproof Bluetooth speaker, so make sure you don't take it to the beach or get it wet, and you should be fine. So overall, pretty attractive looking design. We'll launch into the audio performance next.